Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and on this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this amazing logo in PixelLab. So you open your PixelLab.
You delete the new text. So you delete the new text. After you delete the new text, you insert a zero shape. Watch carefully and insert the shape. Change the color. I'm going to use black color just for the purpose of the tutorial. Just change the color, increase the size. You see. After you increase the size, make sure you set the relative position to center. After that, you go again, insert another shape. This time this is the shape you're going to use. Make sure you watch carefully to the end so that you learn how to make this logo exactly. You adjust the shape the way you see me adjusting it on the screen. While doing that, you adjust it carefully. Watch carefully as I'm adjusting them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Sign Graphics for more exciting tutorial video like this. If you have any question, put it in the comment box below. You can see my number there. You can contact me there also. Make a copy of the shape. See there, I make a copy. So you do the same adjustment as I'm doing it there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sign Graphics. Don't forget to give the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you always have updates about my latest video. You watch carefully as I'm adjusting the shape I'm adding. You see how the color is. You turn on your ruler. See, my ruler is on. That's why you see me positioning it at the place I want to put it. So I'll find it very easy to position my shape. So the next thing, you're going to make a copy. Again, before you do that, you lock your layers. Make a copy of that. I haven't locked my layer there, but I'm going to lock it later. Make a copy of that. Yeah, you see me, I did it now. You lock your layer. A copy of that shape there, you go to crop. Change it to one that is a square shape, and you adjust it the way you see me doing it on the screen. Hope you're following. Any question you have, you put it in the comment box below, and I'll be glad to answer you. This is Sign Graphics, the voice of Sign Graphics. Please rate my voice over video. So we adjust the size of that shape. See me the way I'm adjusting it. Carefully adjust it like that. You position it. I'm using the movement key to position it. This is Sign Graphics. It's an exciting tutorial on PixelLab. In the future, I'll be putting tutorial about Photoshop, Illustrator. I'm going to teach you how to make animation on this channel someday. And if you have any idea, or if you have anything to learn about PixelLab, PicArt, or Photoshop, and you find it difficult, you can put the question in the comment box below on any of my video, and I'll answer you. You can do that. You have my number there, on my WhatsApp number there. You can contact me through that. So you see the way I'm setting it. You watch carefully. You arrange your shape the way I'm doing it. Trying to position the black, that dark zero behind there. Now lock the layer. I'm going to bring in new shape again. That's a square shape, then I'll adjust it. Watch the way I'll adjust it and watch where I'll position them. Watch carefully. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sign Graphics, for more exciting tutorial like this. See the way I turn it, so I'll be able to put them very well. Make a copy of that shape again. Position it again. I want to cut through this shape now. This logo I'm making is a CS logo. I've made a video about the CS logo before, but this is another video. It was one of my subscribers that asked me to make the video for them, and I'm making it. So if you're my subscriber and you're watching my video now, and you feel you have any video idea you find it difficult to do, you can ask me. I'll make a video so that you watch and you learn how I did it. See, you measure all the layers together, then you erase color. That was what I just did. And you know, when you on erase color, the default color that will go is the white color. Anywhere in PixelLab that you turn on erase color on any object, the default color that will go is the white color. Make the necessary arrangement as you're seeing. You lock the layer. Now we're going to make the other shape, as the other icon, which that CX logo was inside. So you see, inside this shape, I'm going to enable color, and I'll change the color of that shape to dark. Watch carefully. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Assign Graphics for more exciting tutorial. The voice of Assign Graphics. Watch, you see me as I make the adjustment. Setting it to that place there like that. Make a copy of that shape. Change the color to white. You reduce the size. Set it to the middle. You watch the way I'm adjusting it. Adjust it the way I'm doing it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Assign Graphics. This is the voice over video. Please rate my voice on this video. You position it the way I'm doing it. Make sure you adjust your shape very well. Now what you're going to do, you make the two shapes together. Then you're going to insert this clip art. I'm going to leave the link in the video description for you to go get it there. You change the color of the clip art to dark. I'm going to use black color, so I'll change it to a black color. And I'll adjust it. And I'll send it behind that shape. Where you will adjust it. I'll adjust it. Make sure you set it to center, then you send it behind that shape. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Pay attention, you watch the video to the end so that you get exactly how I prepare the logo. Everything I'm going to be using, I'm going to leave the link in the description. Like this clip art now, the link is going to be in the description. So when you watch the video and you check the video description, you find the link to this clip art there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Assign Graphics. If you have any question, you put it in the comment box below and I'll be glad to answer you. You see, now you send the clip art behind the shape there. You're going to do, you make them together. Make that shape together with the clip art. Then you go to erase color. You see, when you click erase color, the white color will erase. And when you're merging them, don't forget, you don't merge the CS logo together with it. You only merge the shape and the clip art. Now make a copy. I want to make it a whole shape now. Make a copy. I turn off one of them, then I make them together. Now it has become the same thing. It has become the single clip art. The same thing I'm going to do to the CS logo. So after you do that, you discover that your shapes now, they are whole shapes now. So what the next thing I'll do, I will change their color. I'll adjust them. You watch me carefully. I'll change the color of the clip art. You can use any other color, but for the purpose of the tutorial, I'm going to match the color, so I'm going to use this blue color. Then the CS logo, the icon there, which I created, I'm going to change the color to an orange color. You watch carefully. These are the default color in PixelLab, so when you scroll through your color, you find them. This is the color I'm going to use. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to insert the name of the logo. After I make this adjustment, you watch carefully. I'm not going to explain everything to you. Some of this thing I'm explaining to you, they are going to be explained. They are self-explanatory when you're watching my video. You watch carefully, you pay attention to what I'm saying. So the next thing I'm going to use is the name CC Sahid. That was my subscriber who recommended me to make this logo so that he will learn from it. So I expect anyone of you there to do it also. So that's the name CC Graphics. But he asked me to use CC Sahid, so I'm going to use it anyway. So this font is going to be a default meme font. It's a default font in PixelLab, so you don't need the link there. So if you have, once you have PixelLab, you have the font as your default font. So I'm going to change the name of that, the color of the name. I'll first of all space my letter there. That's my text, and adjust it, position it very well so that I don't stay anyhow inside my design. Watch carefully the way I'm adjusting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Assign Graphics. Now you change the color. I'm going to use the same orange color I use in the CS logo. So I'll make a copy of the text. Again, I'll edit it, put the phone number of the person for whatever brand you are making your logo for. Just a teacher teaching you here, try to teach you something. So Said, I don't have your phone number offered, so I just, for the purpose of the tutorial, I will just use any random number. I'll change the color to the same blue color I use for the clip art. So you watch carefully so that you know what I'm doing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Assign Graphics. This is the voice of Assign Graphics. Please rate my voiceover video. You subscribe to my channel. You can follow me Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at Assign Graphics. Now I'm going to insert this clip art, this WhatsApp icon clip art. If you don't have it, to be available in the video description. Everything I'm going to use, both the clip art, both the WhatsApp clip art and the other clip art I'm going to use, including the background I'll be using for the logo. You're going to find it in the video description. So you don't forget to subscribe to my channel Assign Graphics. You rate my video. Any question you have, you put it at the comment box. I will respond to you instantly. This is the voice of Assign Graphics. And the next thing you're going to do, you go to background and you go to from gallery. To insert the background you're going to use. The background will be available in the video description. This is the background. But because I didn't merge my text and my logo together, after inserting the background, because the size of the background is a YouTube banner background, so it scattered my text. So I'll quickly arrange them the way it ought to be, then I'll make them together for further editing. So you watch carefully the way I'm going to arrange them. So after arrange them now, I'll go to layer, I'll select all layer, then I'll make them together. Now I've gotten my full logo. I can adjust it the way I want, take it to the center of my background. Next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to 3D. I'll leave the X axis like that, but I'm going to adjust the Y axis to 16. See? And I'll go to emboss, enable emboss. Light angle, I'll adjust it to 238. Intensity, watch carefully. You see I'm adjusting my intensity to 48. Ambient light, I'm going to adjust it to at least 70 or 80, 70 to 80, but I'll just use 80 for the purpose of the tutorial. Don't know how your color will be like. The bevel, I'm going to take it to 4 or 5. That'll be okay from them. But the next thing, I'll go to shadow. Change the shadow color to dark. Reduce the blur radius to 1. And the offset axis, you see the way I'll adjust it, -6. Y axis is 9. Okay, and boom, we are through with our logo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Assign Graphics for more exciting tutorial like this. I hope you learned something today from Assign Graphics. I hope you learned something from PixelLab. This is the voice of Assign Graphics. Thanks you for watching my video.